What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Taht's Anything Under the Sun. Hello guys! So for today's episode, we are going to have a DIY piercing. But before that, we have to make sure na clean na yung ears nyo and we have the materials ready. And we have to make sure na with adult supervision. At dapat yung tutuhog sa ears nyo hindi naman professional but has done this before. So, you need a needle if it's not new. Sure! Actually, dapat new talaga siya. Ay, sigat ako din! Actually, dapat new talaga siya. Fine! Actually, dapat it's supposed to be new, but if you don't have one, make sure you get maybe you just use once. Tapos, i-boil nyo siya under warm water. Basta lapuan kung sa Bisaya. And then you have ice, you have a marker, and you have a thread. And that's about it, I guess. And martayolet pala. Martayolet looks like this. Wait, I don't know what you call it in Tagalog or English. Yung ginagamit sa nails. So, let's start. First step is... So, hindi na lang ako mag-marker kasi I trust my, yung mag-pierce ng ears ko. That's what I want. So,
hindi naman sa check
lalagay nyo ang ice sa likod ng area kung asa ka magpa-pierce to numb the area. Sakto ba tayo? Gawa.
Ay, magpa-pierce.
No, Huwag na ilabot dire.
Pero
So, dire sa likod and sa front. Pero kay bag ko. Okay, next. Next is... Oh my gosh, this is it. Mama!
paano?
So if it's numb na, I think it's go time. Ate, nang-alcohol ka, ting?
Wala.
Wala alcohol dati!
Nasa one?
Tatas! So wala pa din siya nag-alcohol ngayon. Alright. Make sure to sanitize before doing any procedure.
Wala itong makakahandaan.
Pero ikaw ba ang kakasa?
Kasi mag-game ka.
Okay, wala na po siya nabutang nila. Dapat din, no?
Gana, siya rin siya. Babamalikas din siya.
Ako sarap yan. Ah! Ah!
Sugan mo tato eh.
Mana?
Muna.
And after piercing, nagdugot eh. Itatay niya lang dyan. Woo! We're done! How many days na
Wako ko balong.
Pero kung ikaw
Kana igo. Mga tulos sa barad lang.
So after the procedure, you put the martayolet para hindi siya mag-infection. We're done.
Tapos,
Sakto na. We did that for, I think, less than 5 minutes. I can feel the sting a little. And we're done. Sabi ni ate, it will take maybe 3 to 4 days before I get this thread and put some earrings or earring on it. So, That's it for today's episode! Thank you so much, guys, for watching my vlog and say hi! So, thank you so much, guys. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See ya! Goodbye! Cheers! Wait! Hindi pa pala kami tapos. Naman pa niya sa Kupikas Dunggan. Sa banjot ng mama ani. Actually, guys, I'm doing it today because mom's not here. And she disapproves this kind of thing. So, I'm taking this opportunity right now to see what she's about. It's not so bad. Now to our next ear. So, for your ear, you have to do the same procedure. So, hindi naman siya sakit na kayo, babe. Ito lang pag-ingon mo nga. Nagkuto ako nagpanip pa. Gamay lang, nakita pero hindi siya mawag expert na masakit ka. Taas sa tutuloy ng pain. Tuwi na patato ko pag i-queer. Ay, natulog na. Ay, just prepare. Oh, luga. Pati equal, di ha? Bukas sa lapit. Hindi mga cool, balik di. Please. Sige di. Thank you. Okay, I think we're good.
Ito yung mulog. Yan, nasa na ako parang.
Sige.
Uy, sa tayo.
To make sure it's pantay.
One.
Oh, ako nakasakit sa'yo.
Kita. Yes, wala dito.
Masakit din ako sa kapang sabihin. So that's it. Yas!
Hindi na matulog. Tambalik mo tayo dito.
Ah, sige, sige. So before you sleep daw, lagyan nyo ng martayolet. Again. So yung matasan ako, te.
Sa'yo kang dito.
Oh, sabi ko malibog mo.
Ay,
And
init man niya.
you have to take a bath early daw. Ay, ito may bukas.
Tali ko to.
Lugay kayo. Okay. Just like the right ear, lalagyan natin ng martayolet. Tapos, ah! I actually didn't think this through. I did not research on this. It was just a spur of the moment. So here I am with 2 new holes